Hi, myself I'm Fanindra. Welcome to Sri Academy. Now we are going to discuss differential equation, that to how to form a differential equation. In previous session we discussed order and degree of differential equation. Now we are going to discuss formation of differential equation. See, to form a differential equation, first of all, differential equation is nothing but, here in our syllabus we having ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation is nothing but the equation is going to involves x and y variables, that is one independent variable and one dependent variable. The derivatives of y with respect to x, here y is dependent, x is independent. The derivative of y with respect to x, differential quotients of not only dy by dx, you can have more number of derivatives, that is nth order derivative also you can get, that is d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube, like that, depends upon the question you are going to get. Differential equation is nothing but only having independent variables and dependent variables, the derivatives of dependent with respect to independent, that is dy by dx terms exist కావాలి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ యాక్చువల్గా గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది, ఆర్డినరీ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది, ఈక్వేషన్లో ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్, ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, వై స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4ax is a equation, this is parabola equation, or you can take x square plus y square equal to r square. Here x and y, this is circle equation, x and y is the variables, this is the equation, family of equations, x square plus y square equal to r square is the family of equations of circle family of equation. Here r is going to be constant always, x and y is going to be vary, but r always you have to take here constant, కంపల్సరీ ఇదే ఫార్ములేషన్లో ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ అనేది ఎక్స్ వేలో వై ప్లేస్లో కూడా వాల్యూస్ రాస్తాం, బట్ ఆర్ ప్లేస్లో కూడా వాల్యూ రాస్తాం, కంపల్సరీ ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్గానే తీసుకోవాలి. ఆర్ అనేది సటన్ లెంత్, దట్స్ వీఆర్ సేయింగ్ యాజ్ రేడియస్. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఈస్ సెట్ టు బి ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్. In an ordinary equation you are going to get arbitrary constants. For suppose one equation is involved n arbitrary constants. First of all, to form a differential equation we have to follow the some steps I just given here. What are the steps means, first of all you have to take the question, you have to write the ordinary differential equation, that is going to be having n number of arbitrary constants. అంటే ఫర్ సపోజ్ 2 ఉంటే 2 అందులో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి, 3 ఉంటే 3 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి, కాబట్టి వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ వన్ ఈక్వేషన్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సీ హౌ మెనీ arbitrary constants are existed in that equation, ordinary equation. Based upon that you have to do differentiation, you have to apply differentiation. For suppose the equation is containing 3 arbitrary constants, you have to apply 3 times differentiation, that is successive derivatives. First of all you have to apply differentiation, then for suppose y is there, after applying differentiation you are going to get dy by dx, it's going to be one equation. After that you have to apply once again differentiation. If you apply differentiation for dy by dx you will get d square y by dx square, that is going to be your one equation. After that you have to apply one more differentiation, that is d cube y by dx cube. ఈ 3 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 టైమ్స్ చేసినాం. ఫర్ సపోజ్ n ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, n టైమ్స్ సక్సెసివ్గా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. n టైమ్స్ చేసి ఉంటాం కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకున్నాం, అది 1 అని, n టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసినా కాబట్టి n టైమ్స్ చేసావు కాబట్టి ఎన్ని ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి, 3 ఉంటే 3 టైమ్స్ చేస్తావు, 3 ఈక్వేషన్, dy by dx ఒకటి, d square y by dx square ఒకటి, d cube y by dx, 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఈ 3 దానికంటే ముందున్నది ఈక్వేషన్ 4 1, దట్ ఈస్ టోటల్ 4. ఈ 4లో టోటల్ ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయినాయి, అన్ని ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ 4 ఈక్వేషన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని 4 ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాం. ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తే ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ లేకుండా, ఫ్రీ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి, దట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యువర్ రిజల్టెంట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఫర్ సపోజ్ n ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉంటే n టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఫర్ సపోజ్ y ఈక్వల్స్ టు a sin 3x plus b cos 3x is there. Here he will give a, b are the arbitrary constants, means it's having two arbitrary constants. For suppose this is one equation number 1. After that you have to do differentiation. If you apply differentiation, you will get dy by dx. After getting the equation, if you apply once again derivative d square y by dx, 2 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 టైమ్స్ చేయాలి, అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ చేయదు. టోటల్గా ఈ 2 డెరివేటివ్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని, ఈ 2 డెరివేటివ్స్ ఇందులో ఉన్నవన్నీ ఒకటి మొత్తం 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని మన ఈ ఏబి రెండింటిని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తే వచ్చే ఈక్వేషన్లో కంపల్సరీ డి స్క్వేర్ వై బై డిఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ డివై బై డిఎక్స్ ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్ అండ్ వై ఆల్సో యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ దట్ equation is going to be your required differential equation. The differential equation whatever you are going to get, that order always is going to be equal to the number of arbitrary constants. Order of differential equation is going to be n, always is going to be equal to arbitrary constants. Okay, we'll see based upon these problems. Okay, now we will see this problem. So given in this question we are having only 2 arbitrary constants, that is a and b is saying a and b are the arbitrary constants. First of all, the question is given, that is formation of differential equation, is asking what is the corresponding differential equation for this. Given y equals to a e power 5x plus b e power minus 5x, it's containing 2 arbitrary constants, that is going to be a and b. 2 arbitrary constants means compulsory first step is you have to write the equation. Then after what we have to do, 2 arbitrary constants means 2 times you have to do differentiation, you have to apply differentiation. After differentiating 2 times by using 3 number of equations, dy by dx, d square y by dx square and y, ఈ 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని మనము ఈ క్యాపిటల్ ఏ క్యాపిటల్ బిని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాం, వచ్చే ఈక్వేషన్ మన రిజల్టెంట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఫస్ట్ ప్రొసీజర్ చూద్దాము. దీనికి డైరెక్ట్గా చేయడానికి ఏమైనా కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉందా, ఏదైనా షార్ట్ కట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయిందా, అది కూడా చూద్దాము. జస్ట్ ఫాలో మీ, రైట్. నౌ గివెన్ ద క్వశ్చన్, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ చెకింగ్ దిస్ వన్ యాజ్ 1. I am writing one more, that is I am applying differentiation, on both sides with respect to x. Now apply differentiation, that is d by dx of y equals to d by dx of a into e power 5x plus b into e power minus 5x. I am giving clearly, that is here dy by dx is going to be, that is differentiation y కి అప్లై చేస్తే dy by dx అంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎప్పుడైతే డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ యూ నో వెరీ వెల్, దట్ ఈస్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఫర్ బోత్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇఫ్ దేస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ సమ్మేషన్ ఆర్ సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్. ఇక్కడ సమ్మేషన్లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి దానికే డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అప్లై చేద్దాము. దట్ ఈస్ dy by dx ఆఫ్, దట్ ఈస్ a is a constant, I am writing outside e power 5x. Next plus b is a constant outside d by dx of e power minus 5x. Now apply, that is we should have a formula, that is I am writing here d by dx of e power ax is always is going to be a into e power ax. Now from here, that is a into, here constant is going to be in place of a we having 5, that is 5 into e power 5x plus b into, here in place of constant you having minus 5 into e power minus 5x. This is going to be 5a e power 5x plus indirectly plus into minus, here plus is there, here minus is there, minus 5b e power minus 5x. This is what dy by dx. I am taking this as equation number 2. Here I am applying once again apply differentiation with respect to x on both sides. That is here, this is dy by dx. If you apply differentiation once again, what you are going to get, d square y by dx square. After applying dy by dx, d by dx of dy by dx is going to be d square y by dx square equals to d by dx of, I am applying for both functions, that is one function is I am separating, that is 5a e power 5x minus d by dx of 5b e power minus 5x. Once again same formula, that is derivative of e power ax equal to a into e power ax. 5a is a constant outside, 5a is outside. E power 5x derivative, e power 5x like that. In place of a we are having 5. Once again 5 in 5 e power 5x. Minus 5b is outside, e power minus 5x derivative minus 5 into e power minus 5x. That is 5 into 5, 25, a e power 5x minus into minus plus 25, b e power minus 5x. If I take 25 common, 25 into a e power 5x plus b e power minus 5x. I am taking this as equation number 3. What is this? This is d square y by dx square. See, first we taken as a one equation. After that you got one more equation, that is dy by dx. You have got d square y by dx square, one more equation. By using these three equations, you have to solve, you have to eliminate your a and b. See, by seeing this equation, you can identify in place of a e power 5x plus b e power minus 5x, we can write 5. Just I am replacing, that is d square y by dx square equal to 25y. I am taking this one this side, that is you have to write like a equation form, minus 25y equal to 0. This is a resultant differential equation. See, differential equation is nothing but only should have x and y variable, the derivatives of y with respect to x. Here highest order derivative is what? D square y by dx square. That order is going to be 2. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్నాం n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉంటే ఆర్డర్ n అవుతుందని. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి రిజల్టెంట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆర్డర్ ఏమైంది? 2 అయింది. Right, we will see with this question we having this much of procedure for this question, but without this procedure we can answer the question. How? Now see the answer here. See, this is the question. For suppose if it is like I am giving here one rule, one result, that is if y equals to a e power alpha x plus b e power beta x, then we can write a differential equation, that is going to be, differential equation is going to be d square y by dx square minus, first plus tarvata minus. Here two arbitrary constants are there, that's why the differential equation order is started with 2. Here plus, then after minus, that is addition of these two values here, alpha and beta. Here capital A, capital B are going to be constants. Here alpha B, alpha and beta, based upon that we are writing. That is next second order అయిపోయింది, తర్వాత first order derivative dy by dx. Plus minus, then after plus, successive plus minus, here alpha into beta y, d square y by dx square, tarvata dy by dx, then after y equal to 0. This is your result. By using this result, if like these problems are given, we can write directly answer. No need of this whatever the just what we are said, the procedure. Without that procedure, by seeing this equation, we can say the answer. Now see, here in place of alpha we having 5, in place of beta we having minus 5. Now substitute here, we can write here d square y by dx square, as I am writing directly, that is you can write d square y by dx square minus alpha is 5, beta is minus 5 into dy by dx plus 5 into minus 5 y equal to 0. Now if you simplify, you will get answer. I am writing d square y by dx square as y2, or sometimes we will write this one as y double dash also. Y double dash is nothing but d square y by dx square, and y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square only. Sir, no, right? Dy by dx we can write as y1 or y dash. I am writing only, I am using like this, that is y2 minus 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 into dy by dx is 0, 5 into minus 5, minus 25y equal to 0. That is going to be your answer. See, with simple one step you will get answer. If you are getting other problem like this, suppose I am writing one more, that is y equals to, if y equals to a e power 3x plus b e power 2x is given. If different values also given, you can write answer. That is what, simply you have to write plus y2 minus 2 plus 3, that is 3 plus 2, 5 y1 plus 3 into 2, 6 y equal to 0. This is your resultant differential equation. We can write more number of questions here. We can write more. If y equals to a e power 3x plus b e power minus 3x is given, simply we will write y2 minus 9y equal to 0. Any question you can write if y equal to a e power 3x plus b e power minus 4x. Here alpha is 3, beta is minus 4, simply y2 minus 3 minus of plus of minus 4 minus 1 minus into minus plus y1 3 4s are 12 minus 12 y equal to 0. This is resultant equation. If you follow the procedure also, you will get this one only. Simply if you remember this shortcut, you can write answers very easily. Now we will see other model also here. Now see here, same type of problems in different model. Just before we given, if the differential equation having two arbitrary constants, here also I am giving one more problem having two arbitrary constants. But there y equal to a e power alpha x plus b e power beta x is there. Here see, same only one term is there. Sometimes he will ask this question, the corresponding differential equation we have to say here. I am not writing total question, but you will get the corresponding differential. If this equation, the corresponding differential equation of, you will ask. Right? It is going to be like this also, y equal to a e power 2x plus b x e power 2x. Then also same question. After taking e power 2x common, you are going to get this one. I am giving one more result here. If the equation is going to be y equals to a plus bx into e power alpha x is there. The corresponding differential equation is, I am writing not d square y by dx square y to y double dash, like that I am going to write. It is going to be looking very good, right? This having two arbitrary constant means order of differential equation is also going to be 2. That means you are going to get d square y by dx square in differential equation. That is y2. Arbitrary constants 2. That's why order is going to be started with 2. y2 first plus tarvata minus 2 alpha y1 plus alpha square y. Just before alpha beta both are there. If alpha and beta both are equal, in two places you got only one number. That's why we simply replace alpha with alpha and beta with also alpha. Alpha plus beta there. Here alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. This is going to be your differential equation. By using this equation, you can write like these questions. Now for this one, the corresponding differential equation for the answer is going to be what? y2 minus alpha is going to be 2. 2 into 2, 4y1 plus 2 square 4y equal to 0. You can have n number of questions also. If you write, you are going to get, that is y equals to, I am writing one more, y equals to a plus bx into e power 7x. Alpha is 7. Now write the differential equation y2 minus 2 into 7, 14y1 plus 77 square, that is 7 into 7, 49 equal to 0. This is your differential equation. See, same type of problem. Here two arbitrary constants there in the before. Here same different values, but three arbitrary constants. Capital A, capital B, capital C are going to be arbitrary constants. 2 కున్నప్పుడు ఎట్లయితే ఈక్వేషన్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయిందో 3 వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా సేమ్ రాసుకుంటున్నాం. బట్ 3 వాల్యూస్ బేస్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ నేను ఈక్వేషన్ జనరలైజ్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తాను. దట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ y ఈక్వల్స్ టు a e power alpha 1x, without confusion I am giving these values, that is alpha beta inka one more kaakunda alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3, you won't get confused, plus b alpha 2x plus c into e power alpha 3x. Then the differential equation is going to be simply 2 ఉంటే 2 వాల్యూస్తో రాసినాం, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి, 3 ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది 3 అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి dqy by dx క్యూబ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే కాబట్టి వన్స్ అగైన్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ సక్సెసివ్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ y3 ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్, నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ 3 వాల్యూస్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చే వాల్యూ ఆల్ఫా 1 ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా 2 ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా 3, నెక్స్ట్ y3 తర్వాత y2 ప్లస్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ఫా 1 ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా 2 ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా 2 ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా 3 ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా 3 ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా 1 ఇంటూ y1 ప్లస్ తర్వాత మైనస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఆల్ఫా 1 ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా 2 ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా 3 y ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సేమ్ ఫార్మేట్ you are going to get same like that equation. Based upon that, by if you know this equation, here 3 arbitrary constants are there, means you have to do 3 times differentiation. Total 4 equations you will get. By simplifying 4 equations, indirectly 4 unknowns ni eliminate cheyali. 4 equations ni simplify chesi total ga arbitrary constants ni eliminate chesi equation, it will take more time. If you know this form, you will get very easily. Simply you will check if in the ESET exam you will give the question, you will give in the options, you will check only the values only, right? y3 undi tarata minus unda plus unda minus unda, okay values exist ayna leva check cheskunta answer vachestadi, right? If you write the answer, come on tell me, y3 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 6y2 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 3 6, 2 plus 6 8 plus 3 into 1 3 8 plus 3 11 y1 minus 1 into 2 into 3 once again 6 y equals to 0. This is your differential equation. Like that you can get any value here, you can write. If you change the values, you will get answer. Okay, we'll see more types problems here. Now come on, see. Right, extinction I am writing here problems. Same problem, same type of problem here. 3 arbitrary constants and 3 different values. See, a e power x plus b e power 3x plus e power 5x. Same before formula. In place of alpha 1 we are having 1, alpha 2 3, alpha 3 is going to be 5. If you substitute in the formula, what you will get here, first successive plus y3 I am writing, dqy by dx cube you may get in options in ESET exam, that is in the options you may get dqy by dx cube also, y cube y3 y triple dash kuda undachu, depends upon options you have to choose. I am writing to easy purpose, I am writing here y3 tarvata plus tarvata minus, next addition of this 3 value 1 plus 3 plus 5 is nothing but 9 y2 plus next multiplication and alpha 1 alpha 2 plus alpha 2 alpha 3 plus alpha 3 alpha 1. Now 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 15, 3 plus 15 18 plus 5 into 1 is nothing but 5, 18 plus 5 is nothing but 23 y1 minus multiplication of 3 1 into 3 into 5 15 y equal to, see how, see only single step you got answer. If in exam simply you will check the only values, successive plus minus is there or not, and multiplication of addition of 3 values, 2 functions 2 values multiplication and addition, and remaining 3 functions multiplication, alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 unnaya leva check cheste answer వచ్చేసింది. Same previously 2 arbitrary constants, అవి 2 arbitrary constants సేమ్ alpha beta ప్లేస్లో alphaనే ఉంటాయి. అట్లా ఇప్పుడు 3 వాల్యూస్ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చేసి y ఈక్వల్ టు a ప్లస్ bx ఇంటూ e పవర్ alpha x రాసినాం. ఇక్కడ 3 వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సేమ్ వాల్యూ we having 3 values, that is if the equation is going to be y equals to a plus bx plus cx square, 3 terms, a plus bx వచ్చింది, ఇంకో టర్మ్ రిపీట్ అయింది కాబట్టి x స్క్వేర్ అనే టర్మ్ వస్తుంది, e పవర్ alpha x. సేమ్ alpha beta alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 3 values alphaనే, simply by replacing every value alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 equal to 3 you will get differential equation. Come on, what is differential equation now? That is y3 minus alpha plus alpha plus alpha 3 alpha y2 minus plus minus plus alpha square plus alpha square plus alpha square 3 alpha square y1 minus alpha into alpha cube y equal to 0. This is you are going to use differential equation for this form. Now based upon that, in place of alpha we having 3, just replace alpha with 3, you will get answer y3. Now we will write dqy by dx, you won't get confused, right? Dqy by dx cube minus 3 into 3 9 d square y by dx square plus 9 3s 27 y dy by d y1 is nothing but dy by dx minus 3 cube is nothing but also 27 y equal to 0. This is your differential equation. See, just to revise whatever just we given the equation, that is alpha beta base cheskoni, here alpha equal to 2, beta equal to minus 1 by 2. If you replace alpha with 2, beta with minus 2, that is now come on, tell me, that is d square y by dx square, or y2 you can write d square y by dx square minus 2 minus 1 by 2, that is going to be 3 by 2 dy by dx 2 in minus, then after plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus y equal to 0. You can write this as y2 minus 3 by 2 y1 minus y equal to 0. You can simplify this. If you take 2 LCM, that is 2y2 minus 3y1 minus 2y equal to 0. This you are going to be resultant differential equation. Same, 2 arbitrary constants exist aithe, 2 arbitrary constant repeat aithe, that is first one value, what is the value? Y equals to a e power alpha x plus b e power beta x ఒకటి. Then after repeat అయితే alpha beta place la a plus bx e power alpha x ఒకటి. 3 values exist అయితే next y equal to a e power alpha 1x plus b e power alpha 2x plus c e power alpha 3x. Fourth one, that one, alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 place la corresponding differential equation. If you learn the forms and also differential equations, based upon that you can get very easily. See, same 2 arbitrary constant base చేసుకొని ఇంకే ఫార్మ్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే దానికి సింపుల్గా ఆన్సర్స్ ఎట్లా చేయొచ్చు అది కూడా చూద్దాం. కమాన్, నౌ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం, this is one more model. Just previously we seen some exponential functions are there in our equation. Now trigonometry functions we got. First we will find the differential equation by the procedure, then after we will learn how to do within fraction of second this problem. See, y equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, same a and b are both are going to be arbitrary constants. A and b are both are arbitrary constant, and 2 arbitrary constant means 2 times you have to differentiate. Based upon that you will get 2 equations, total 3 base చేసుకొని మనం eliminate చేయాలి. Once again we are following the same procedure. Now come on, that is I am writing here, I am applying differentiation for this, apply differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Now come on, y derivative dy by dx, that is a is a constant outside d by dx of cos 3x plus b is a constant derivative of sin 3x. You have to replace here. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Now come on, a into cos 3x differentiation is going to be minus cos 3x into 3. Why? Because x quotient, once again chain rule, differentiation lo chain rule. Next plus b into sin 3x derivative cos 3x into once again 3. Why? Because 3x derivative is going to be 3. You can take 3 common, 3 is outside 3, that too minus a cos 3x. Same thing we are writing, right? Here cos 3x derivative is minus sin 3x. Here you will get plus b cos 3x. Now this is dy by dx Once again I am applying differentiation for this. That is going to be d square y by dx square. Once again dy by dx derivative. 3 is outside. That is minus a is a constant. D by dx of sin 3x plus b is a constant. D by dx of cos 3x. Now if you write, if you apply differentiation, that is going to be 3 already is there, minus or you can multiply 3 inside also, no problem. Here it is also no problem. Minus a into sin 3x derivative cos 3x into 3. Same here, plus b into cos 3x derivative minus sin 3x into 3. If you take once again this 3 common and also minus, that is minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9 into a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. See, if you take this as equation number 2, this is as equation number 1, this is going to be equation number 3. By seeing these 3 equations, this is a cos 3x plus b sin 3x is nothing but y. We are writing from here, that is d square y by dx square equals to d square y by dx square equal to minus 9 into y minus 9y. If you take minus 9y this side, d square y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. This is your going to be resultant equation, differential equation. For suppose sometimes here in place of 3 you will get here 3, that's why you got 9. For suppose 5 is there, you will get 25. But I am going to give here one more result for you people. Based upon that, you can write this answer very easily. I am giving the form first of all, that is going to be, if y equals to e power alpha x into a sin beta x plus b cos beta x is there. You may write here in place of this one a cos beta x plus b sin beta x also, no problem. Why? Because these are arbitrary constant, you can change also any value. That is, but the values here, whatever the sin value and cos value is going to be same. E power alpha x. You can write this one as like that. I am writing here, this is how y equals to e power 0 into x a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Now see, e power alpha place la 0, same thing, beta place la 3. For this, differential equation is going to be, this is having two arbitrary constants, means the differential equation order is going to be 2. Why? D square y by dx square existed. I am writing y2 like previous, y2 successive place, then after minus 2 alpha y1 plus alpha square plus beta square y equal to 0. This is going to be a resultant equation. That is indirectly like complex roots, alpha plus I beta, alpha plus I beta, alpha plus alpha minus I beta. Alpha plus I beta plus alpha minus I beta is nothing but 2 alpha aitadi. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, I square in the got major place వస్తుంది, alpha square minus beta square place la. అంటే రూట్స్ అనేది ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ దిస్ వాల్యూస్ అల్ఫా బీటా ప్లేస్లో ప్రీవియస్ టాపిక్లో ప్రీవియస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుని y ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ పవర్ అల్ఫా ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి పవర్ బీటా ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ టర్మ్కి కన్వర్ట్ చేసినాం, ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఫామ్ బేస్ చేసుకొని. అప్పుడు రూట్స్ అనేది అల్ఫా ప్లస్ ఐ బీటా అల్ఫా మైనస్ ఐ బీటా అవుతుంది, అందుకే దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని ఆన్సర్ రాసినాం. సింపుల్గా నథింగ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. విల్ సి అల్ఫా ఈజ్ వాట్ 0 ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, beta is what 3. Now replace in this equation, that is going to be y2 minus 2 into 0 into y1 plus 0 square plus 3 square into y equal to 0. Now that is going to your answer, y2 0 plus 9y equal to 0. Any problem you can write if you given. Simply we will see other than values, అంటే ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఓన్లీ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ కాకుండా ఇట్లా ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ టర్మ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ వచ్చిందంటే కంపల్సరీ ఈ పవర్ alpha x is going to be e power alpha is going to be always 0. Why? Because e power 0 into x is going to be e power 0. E power 0 is nothing but 1. E power 0 1 అయింది కాబట్టి అంటే e power a nothing is there means you can multiply with e power 0. That's why e power 0 1 అయింది కాబట్టి సింపుల్గా ఆల్ఫా అనేది 0 అయిపోయింది. ఓన్లీ బీటా is going to be existed for this type. How are the problems are going to be? We'll see that డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి డిఫరెంట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఎట్లా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే అనేది చూద్దాము. ప్రాబ్లమ్కు డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే ఏం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో వన్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వి ఎగ్జిస్టెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ టాపిక్. Based upon that also we can write more number of questions there. We'll see those questions. Okay.